Hello guys, we want to teach you how you can use the adjustment brush tool. Like for instance, this adjustment brush tool here, you can right click on it. Ensure, just click on it. Ensure that that layer in which you want to apply this is selected. Click on your layer from this layer section here. This is your layer section, so ensure that this is selected. So come over here, select, let's keep it selected, and then move it. I say you can click and move. You see how it brightens the area. This is how it brightens all the area that were dull. It now brushes over. Look at it, adjusts the level of light there and brings out respectively. This is so easy. Nice. Let's come this side. You see it brush them, just brush it off like this, and then it is ready for use, just to lighten up. That's just the basic work it does, just lighten up that particular object or that particular layer. It's nothing. So you can even click to brighten here. You can even brighten if you want any more adjustments, and then to add contrast or reduce contrast from this particular section like this. So thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.